Soak your ginger in vinegar to unlock its incredible health benefits and address common everyday ailments using my grandmother's traditional secret. While supermarket ginger looks clean, it often hides dirt and residue deep within its small crevices that you need to be aware of. I break the ginger into smaller pieces so I can clean every single part of it thoroughly before we start the process. If you find any damaged or moldy spots, simply cut them away to ensure only the healthiest parts of the ginger are used. Don't throw away the peel, as it is a natural remedy that helps reduce internal body heat and is packed with valuable nutrients. If your ginger is fresh from the soil, add a little salt and baking soda to the water to ensure it is perfectly clean before steaming. I place the ginger pieces into the steamer with a little space between them so the steam can circulate freely and cook them perfectly. It is best to eat ginger in the morning to activate your digestive system, but try to avoid it at night as it might keep you awake. Once the water boils, I lower the heat and steam the ginger for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes fragrant and mild. You'll know it's ready when the skin becomes slightly glossy and feels soft to the touch, while keeping all those healthy nutrients locked inside. After the ginger cools, I slice it into thin, even pieces. This is the secret to getting a perfectly balanced flavor in your final pickle. Since the ginger was just steamed, it's quite moist, so I place it in the oven to dry out slightly to ensure the best quality for our pickle. The aroma in the kitchen is wonderful and reminds me of home-cooked meals. Now, we just need a perfectly clean, dry jar to begin the pickling process. I start by preparing a completely clean glass jar, making sure it is free of any water or oil to ensure the ginger stays preserved perfectly. I add the dried ginger slices into the jar and include 2 spoonfuls of rock sugar to help soften the sharp sourness of the vinegar. For this recipe, I use balsamic vinegar because its pleasant aroma from fermented grapes gives the ginger a truly wonderful flavor. I have another recipe for the remaining ginger that is extremely beneficial for your overall health. When combined with the natural benefits of ginger, honey becomes a powerful health remedy as the 2 ingredients blend their nutrients together over time. This process is quite similar to how people ferment garlic and honey for a month. It is an incredibly effective way to preserve its benefits. This final method is truly the easiest one yet, as you don't even need to steam or dry the ginger beforehand. Doctors suggest that inflammation in our blood vessels can hinder flow, and the simple preparation of ginger and apple cider vinegar helps support healthy circulation. I add a little rock sugar for balance, and although I'm using rice vinegar today because I ran out of apple cider, it works perfectly to create a convenient, healthy jar of ginger. With this jar of ginger soaked in honey, I love to just take a slice and eat it directly. The natural sweetness mellows the spice, making it a perfect quick snack. I also like to add a few slices along with a bit of the syrup into a teapot, pouring boiling water over everything to let the nutrients infuse into a warm, comforting drink. This tea is so soothing for the throat and is my daily go-to for supporting my immune system during the cold and flu season. If you enjoyed these tips, please subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments.